nothing. And when you switch it on, and if you wanted to do that other thing that it did, because that's oh how amazing, how cool, how cute. These are gorgeous. I love how this print looks. Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to another vlog. Well, I've been quite dormant of late, but yeah, this is me today. I haven't gone to shower. I'm yet to go and shower just now, but I just connected this humidifier and it's so cute. And the reason why I look like this, I need to go get my nails done, I need to go get my hair done. It looks very bad. So the hair, I want to go to the salon, have it unraveled and all that. My nails, I'm probably going to do it either today or tomorrow, very early in the morning. But in the meantime, please hit the like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, let me show you this humidifier because the only thing that I'm remaining to do is probably get more what are they called? Sorry guys, my battery died. Anywho's, here's the humidifier, how it looks. I'm so proud of myself. As I was saying before, the battery died on me, that the only thing that I need to buy is essential oils. I already have sandalwood oil, essential oil, but that one isn't for any health benefits, so I need to get the ones that are for health benefits, like the tea tree, the one that helps with congestion. I don't remember the name, but there's one. I also need to get the likes of mint because they are good, they are really good. Anyway, let me show you how it looks. But right now it's really cold, like it's literally cold. So this humidifier, I need to switch it off because inanipatia baridi ingine zaidi. So let me show you how it looks, and I'll also show you the video of me connecting it because I just connected it right now, a whole tutorial. So we ordered these humidifiers since last year but it has never gotten to the number that was required, so I ordered with extras, but they are already sold out. But we are running them again in the group, so if you're interested you can come. We purchase. The FOB for this one was 1400 and clearing was about 800 thereabout. So let me show you how it looks like. So here it is, and we are in my bedroom because it's going to stay here for some time until I get myself, or we get ourselves, a console so that we can place it to a sitting room and the kids won't be able to touch it. But oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Look at the mist, look at all this mist. And now this whole yeah, it's emitting so much water because the bed is very cold. This whole humidifier, this part can carry up to 3 liters. Where is it? And see, spray duration, it's clean humidifier. Where is it? 3 liters. Yeah, here, 3 liter large capacity, easy to add water above. Oh, here. So OMG, this is a steal guys, it's a steal. Wow, get yourselves one. Okay, it's really cold. Let me switch it off. What is that one for? Oh, do you see that? Oh, look at that. Oh my god. So you can opt it to either do one, or then this one stops, this one starts, then this one stops, this one starts. Okay, I didn't know it had that. Now it's off, so it's emitting nothing. And when you switch it on, and if you wanted to do that other thing that it did, because that's okay, bye guys, I'm going to catch you later when my nails, guy, they look bad, and my hair are all done. See ya. Hey guys, good morning. So today is a beautiful morning, Monday morning. Today I'm headed out. I want to head out, but before I do that, because I know I'll be getting back pretty late, let me show you these items that I've been receiving since last week. You've already probably watched the videos, I don't know, but I thought I would just show you what I got for myself. So this scarf is really warm. Today it's very cold. Don't mind the fact that I'm not wearing a sweater. I'm about to wear this jacket that I got as a present. Anyway, this scarf is really nice. You know, I have the other one. Where is it? It's right there. I can see it, but I love how this print looks, and it's pretty warm. Let me show you the other one. So this is the other one that I wear, like seriously I wear this like almost all the time. So I wanted something to exchange with, and I have the other Fendi, and I gave out one to my sister-in-law who was traveling. I gave her as a present to go with, because it was really like really short notice. So I just carried it to the airport, and when she was leaving I just put it on her, and so she went with it. So I do not have scarves, but I have this, and I want to take a black and white one because I think I wear blacks most of the time, and grays, nude tones generally. But yeah, there's this and this. I actually wore this one yesterday when we went to my sister's and to church, so I'm glad I got that one. And next up is some belts, because I haven't gotten myself a belt since sometimes I think last year. The two belts that I still have, you see this belt, I love these belts. They still look new. This is the other one. So I had brought in 4 sizes. I do not like the big one, so I have the last 3. Well, let's assume they are like this, like this being the biggest, this being the next size, and the smallest size. Now I have the smallest size, and I had this other size, so now I got myself this size because I love these belts. So the one I'm wearing is this size, so I got myself this size. Here it is, and I love these belts. When I tell you that this still looks new, it still looks new. Do you see? But you can tell that I've been wearing, because here, so you see how it is shaped. So is the other one, but they haven't changed since I bought them. You can still see they look kind of the same. So I got myself that other size, and then I brought in from this consignment that I brought in last week, I got myself this one. I have a white belt which I hardly wear, but I needed a beige one, so this is beige in color. And now the reason why I got it, I knew this one, sorry guys, my battery just died, so I knew this one would give me trouble selling because of this part, you see. But I think this belt is really gorgeous, and the quality is also amazing, so I got myself this one. Do I have something else that I got? No, that is now the things that I got myself. But then also I have these other things right here, the mugs that I got for me. Well, they're mostly for me, but I think the children would love these ones as well. I haven't showed them, but they did see a picture that I posted, and they asked me, "Mom, where are these bottles?" Anyway, so here is the first one. I think I love how they look. They are made, so they are pretty. And then I got this one. I am not a fan of purple or lilac, but this is gorgeous. This is pretty, like seriously, it's very beautiful. And then finally, but because I know that if I carry these ones, my children will love them, so I got 3. This is the other one. knowing pretty well if I carry one, the rest will want to carry. And I carry water a lot. We hardly ever buy juices in this house, but when there's juice or water, I think this will be perfect. Besides that, I want to start doing fun stuff with them, like doing movie dates, sleepovers, well, in my room or in their room. Well, I have to sneak out when they are asleep anyway, or sleep them back into their room, and then do teacups. What are they called? Not teacup. Tea dates, chai dates. I don't know what they're called, but yeah, I want to start doing fun stuff with them. And then I forgot straws in the shop, so I have to bring them back home. And then finally, I have this. You've already seen what it is, but I hadn't brought mine to the house, so I brought this one home because it's mine anyway. And I can still wait to get a console and update my TV stand because I have plans for this home. These are the gorgeous pieces that we got. And imagine these things going for, they go for around 5,000, 6,000 thereabout, and we got these ones for less than 3,000. Like, how amazing, how cool, how cute. These are gorgeous. And I can't place these ones just yet huko sitting room mama kwa dining, because I know I will find them broken. If I tell you another story, that my coffee table, the small one, has already been broken. It's broken, y'all. I don't know if I want to even show you. I don't have the energy to show that part, but it's broken. Like, the small one is broken, so I have to go and look for marble places where they sell those tiles, marble tiles and whatnot. I need to go and get myself one of those, because yeah, they say to have children, it will be fun, but see where the fun is taking me. So on Saturday, yeah, on Saturday, I did my nails. As you can see, they look pretty. I also went to the salon last week and undid my braids, but my hair has been destroyed. My hair is damaged, like the entire area. I don't have hair. Besides that, it has become so short, so I'm thinking this will be my look for the next couple of months. I don't have the energy to go back to the salon and do my hair again, because I know itafika huku, I swear. So I want to grow my edges out first before I think of doing anything else. And then I want to also wait for it to grow a bit so that I cut the damaged hair, because it's so damaged. I didn't think I would ever damage my hair this way, but it's damaged also. I don't want to go back to the salon, sitaki kusikia huyo uchungu, and then have that. Do you see? It's only because I laid the edges, that's why it looks better. But you should have seen me last week, y'all, because I didn't know what to do with it. I looked shabby. And yeah, guys, that's my haul. Let me head out to town because it's already late. I think it's around 9 something, going to 10, and I haven't done most of the updates for the weekend, so I need to go do that and then catch up with a few things here and there in town, and then we will see how the day goes. But in the meantime, let me leave you all here. We will start a new vlog maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. But yeah, guys, cheers, bye. Hey guys, I just realized that I never showed you this bamboo laundry basket that we shipped in, and I wanted to show you how big this thing is. The diameter is 30, it's 35. No, this is not the circular, this is the square one. Is it even square? Anyway, its diameter is 40 centimeters, width is 30 centimeters, and height is 30 centimeters. That can't be right. This isn't 30 centimeters. This is huge. It's really huge. So I wanted to connect it with you guys so that you can see how huge this is. So it's bamboo, as I said. This is wood, and I love neutral tones in my home. And so we have this. This is the bag that you store your clothes in, and then we have the chini, and then we have the base right here, and then we have the top part right here. So this one, I have seen it being sold here in Kenya for, it goes for 30 something hundred, but we managed to ship this with about 2200. So this is the base. So this one goes down. Oh my goodness. Connecting it isn't so hard, but right now it's shapeless. Yes. That one has hang on to this part right here. Oh my gosh, does this need two people to connect it? Oh, these things are very, oh yes, like that. And then this one goes through the base. Wow, this is huge and beautiful. Yep. So guys, here is the laundry basket. As you can see, it's really huge. All this is the laundry basket, and then we have the inner part. It's very deep. As you can see, the inside goes in. What do you call Ndani? So there is my laundry basket. I can't wait to get more of this. But this is it, all. So beautiful, so pretty. Yeah, I hope you order with me. So yeah.